So hello all, this is Shruti and in today's video we are going to learn how to make flare skirt in Cloth 3D. So yeah, let's start with that. So this is the pattern which we are using today to make flare skirt. This is the pattern of the waistband and this is the skirt part. Okay, so this skirt part, let me open the 2D window first. So you have to, when you make flare skirt and you are making a pattern from scratch, then you have to make sure that the skirt part is of same length as compared to the waistband. Okay, so let's open both the windows now, and we have to arrange the skirt pattern onto avatar body with this blue points activated. Okay, then we have to stitch the skirt part with the waistband. Okay, let's stitch, and we simply click onto our space button and simulate the pattern. Okay, then we have to create a circular pattern out of it. Then so for that we have to select this slash and spread option and then fullness, and we simply have to add fullness to this pattern. We have to start from center and then slash and spread. You always have to start from center and then keep on spreading your patterns. Make sure the spread distance is same in all the spreads. Okay, then this is the last one. Okay, so when this spread is done, then you have to arrange this pattern straight where the waist part is in center and this place. Okay, then again you have to activate this blue points and simply arrange this onto avatar body, and then we have to click onto the space button and wait for the simulation. Then you have to stitch the side seams to close the pattern. So this is stitched, and also for circular skirt, you, if you want, you can also change the fabric to more heavyweight fabric for more flare effects like you see here. And let's now change the fabric color. First of all, make all this pattern in one fabric, and then we are going towards the color change process. For that you have to select the fabric, and then on property editor you have to select the colors. Okay, now control A, select all the patterns and unfreeze and unstrengthen the parts. and you have to deactivate the blue points. So yeah, this is done. So yeah, that's all for today. Have a nice day.